everyone, I'm back with another video. This video is going to be a doll remake of one of my favorite TV characters of all times. Oh my gosh, she is from the 80s and the early 90s, and she already kind of looked like her already. I had bought this doll online. It was used, so I'm going to have to just curl her hair, kind of repaint her eyes, and style her outfit. So I hope y'all gonna know who she is, because she already looked like her somewhat. So I'm going to start, and we're gonna go step by step. I love this character. Anyway, we'll be back. Okay, I will be using this material to hot glue the character's outfit on the doll's body. I don't want to tell you what it is because I don't want to give it away. Okay, it's going to be a dress. So this character was known to wear a red dress. So y'all probably already know who it is. I love this character. So we're going to cut a pattern out, and then we're going to hot glue it on the doll. Okay, next step. To achieve the hair look, I use pine rods, and I'm going to dip it in some boiling hot water and let it set. And we should achieve the, style it and achieve the hair look. Okay. Hi, it's me, Sandra. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. How did y'all think she came out? I think she came out wonderful. Sandra Clark is my favorite TV character of all times. I did her hair, I redid her eyes, I did her earrings, I made the outfit, and I just give her some red shoes. And I think she looks phenomenal. This is my personal Sandra Clark inspired Barbie doll. Oh my gosh, what y'all think? I think she look like, hey Mary, hi Mary. Good morning, ladies. Mary. What y'all think? I think I did a wonderful job. Leave in the comments down below what other dolls would you like to see me do. And please make sure y'all subscribe. Y'all gotta subscribe and thumbs up and share my videos, please. I'll be back with another video. Bye. I hope I did a great job. I hope I made y'all proud.